Hello everyone, if you are looking for the doorbell, and you can go for the Cona is well known brand, and they are providing different options in this bell. So I bought it around 4 to 5 years earlier, and I have used it for 2 to 3 years only. So still the building quality is very good, no such harm or impact on the body, and it has been solid build. So let's check it. There are even 36 tones, and also this is that this range is 50 to 60 meters when there is no obstacle that we can say in the open air, but we usually use it for around 3 to 4 rooms difference. That is that there are 3 to 4 walls between this remote and this device. So let's check this, and there is a battery included in this remote, and as I have shared, I have used it for 2 to 3 years, so still there is a backup in the battery. So this is the first one battery which is working fine. And I would also say that I have not used it very frequently, but only when required, like if I used in 2 to 3 years, so 1 or 2 times in a day I can say that. So it also depends on how much you are using it. So this is the well. There are 3 AAA cells which is included in this. I think I bought these separately. So there are hook as well if you have to hang it, the place for the hook, and there is a light as well, it blinks. So, and there are option of changing the tone as well as increasing or decreasing the volume. So we can increase or decrease volume from here. So let's keep the volume low, and we can change the tone from here. So these are the 36 tones, and the range is also very good. So there may also be some other variants available in these tones, as I bought it around 5 years earlier, so they may have upgraded these versions or tones like that. So this is working very fine, and I am very satisfied if even after using these around 2 to 3 years frequently, or twice or thrice in a day, but still it is very fine in the build-in quality and performing very well. So Cona is very known brand in electronics right now. Thank you very much for watching the video.